Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to take finite number of user inputs in dictionary in Python. So for a dictionary here we take user inputs. So let's take an example. I suppose I want to take n number of elements in dictionary. So I will declare here n is equals to integer input. Basically here n is the number of elements, so here enter number of elements required in dictionary. Now I will declare empty dictionary, which will be d is equals to an a empty dictionary. So here is empty dictionary. Now I will use for loop to take the multiple inputs for this dictionary. So use for I in range. Range for this I will be from 0 to this n minus 1. So here I will give n, and inside this for loop I will take keys and values for this dictionary. So to take key, I will write here key is equals to, I want to take key as an input. I will take input as an input is equals to, I will give here comment as enter a key for a dictionary. And then I will take value as a input. So I will write same as key. So let's copy this and then paste value. Now I want to bind this key and value in this dictionary. So here is the syntax to bind this key and value into the dictionary. So right here d for that dictionary, particular dictionary, and then key as input here, and then is equals to value. This will be the basic syntax for binding these keys and values entered by user in this dictionary. Now I want to print this dictionary, so I will write here print d. Let's save this and let's check the output. So here I want to give number of elements for the dictionary. So I have give here 3 elements. So now I will give here a key for the dictionary. I have to give a string as a input key for a dictionary because I have declared here input as a string. So I will give a as a key input. Here key is a, then I will give a as a value. Then I have to give 3 elements. So b, then b as value, then c, and c as value. So here is the elements of this dictionary as keys and values for the particular dictionary. Suppose I want to give this key as integer number, so I have to only declare here I have to only take integer and input. So I will write here only int, and vice versa. If I want to take value as the integer, I will get this input as integer. So I will write here integer. In this example I have to take key as a integer, so I will write here int. Now I will save this code and then run. Here 3 elements I want in dictionary. Then I want this key as a integer, so I will give here 5. Then value for the dictionary will be AAA. Then key as the 6, BBP 7, CCC. Here I have given key as the integer number and value as the string. So in this way we can take a finite number of user inputs in dictionary using for loop. And here this is the basic syntax for the taking these keys and values in dictionary, which will be important for getting user inputs in dictionary. So I hope you all got this very well. So thank you for watching this video.